Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing just how I made this easy accent side table in just 3 super easy steps. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. This lets me know you guys like this sort of content. And now let's just grab a snack and get on to the video. For this project you'll need 2 wire mesh trash cans, a spray paint of your choice, and a charger plate. I saw this gold one and I absolutely fell in love with it. It's so beautiful. Also, we're going to be needing some glue, any glue of your choice that you know would glue it down, or just good old handy dandy glue gun is fine as well. And just like that, we are done. You guys, you can use this for your balcony, as a stand for your plants, as an accent table. It also looks good as a bedside table. I mean, imagine putting fairy lights in this and using it as a night light stand. You guys, this would be so beautiful if you just put lights in and use it at night. You can also cover up the joining section with gold beads or lace if it bothers you. I started to do that, but listen, ain't nobody got time for that. But yes, that's something you can do. You can also use it as storage, just don't glue it down, and then use it as storage for books, magazines, or nice things you can just put inside for decoration purposes. I had so much fun filming this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!